put cola in chicken wings, a tip I learned from a Chinese man. I have this container of chicken wings here. Once I've added the cola, I'll put the lid on and leave the wings to marinate. Meanwhile, let's make the seasoning. 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of honey. And now let's mix these ingredients together very well. With very simple ingredients, we can make a wonderful recipe. You'll see the result at the end. Now set aside and put a tablespoon of butter in a frying pan. I'll let the butter melt and then add the soybean oil. Once the butter has melted, add olive oil, Now I'm going to take the chicken wings and put them in the frying pan. And tell me how you make chicken wings at home, because I'd love to know your recipe. After placing the chicken wings in the frying pan, we turn them over so that they cook on all sides. The taste of this recipe surprised me, and everyone in the house loved it. Now add the rest of the cola. And then the seasoned sauce we made. Making chicken wings with these ingredients really does taste good. I've stirred here just to mix the ingredients, and now let's put the lid on. And let them cook for 15 minutes. And look how wonderful the wings turn out this way. Here at home, they are a huge hit and are ready to be served. I'll just add a little chopped parsley on top. Make them at home and they'll be a hit. How would you rate this recipe? So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye-bye.